Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up stock policies in Kladana, how they work and in which situation different stock policies are applicable. First, I'll remind you how we can mark stock as committed or awaiting, the same as in transit. When you create a sales order, you can mark all or some items in it as allocated to committing stock. After that, you will see these items as committed in the stock report and other transactions. When you create a purchase order, you can mark all or some items as allocate to awaiting stock. Afterwards, you will see these items as awaiting or in transit in the stock report and other transactions. The same works for a production order. When you create a production order, you can mark all finished products as awaiting and all raw materials as committed. Let's see what the stock report shows us after allocations. I go to the stock report and use the saved filter bakery. You can see buns are committed and in transit. Committed because I reserved them in the sales order, and in transit because they are allocated in awaiting stock in the production order. The similar situation for the ingredients. They are both awaited from purchase order and committed because they are reserved for the production order. Also, in the available column, you can see the calculated available stock. So let's finalize. There are different states for the stock. On hand, what we have right now, committed, what is reserved, awaiting or in transit, what we expect. And available is calculated according to this formula. On hand is equal to committed plus awaiting stock. Now let's talk about negative stock restriction. In most cases, when you want to keep accurate stock and records, we recommend switching it on. There are some situations when users switch it off, like urgency to create shipment before recording receiving. To switch it on, we go to the settings and account settings, and in other policies option, switch on disallow records and reduce stock below 0. Also, after you switch it on, another setting is available, disallow records with previously reserved items. It is about hard reservations, and I'll show you how it works. There's a massive explanation on the slide, but in short, hard reservation prevents outward records for the later created orders. If they are earlier created orders with the same items and stock is insufficient for all of them. The hard reservation policy is applicable only for shipments and write-offs. We do not support it for production orders for now. Kladana checks only on-hand stock level. Let's see how it works. Now both settings, negative stock restriction and hard reserves, are on. Now as you can see, I have 53 kilograms of sugar on hand. 10 kilos are reserved for the production. Now let's go to the sales orders. First I will create a sales order with 60 kilograms of sugar and we'll try to ship it. I can create sales order and save it. But when I try to create a shipment via add later button and save it, Kladana won't allow me. It shows records that reduce stock below 0 are not allowed. Let's go back to the sales order and change the quantity for 50. I have 53 kilograms on hand. Because I have 53 kilograms on hand. When I try to save the shipment created against this sales order, Kladana does not allow me and shows another warning. Records with items reserved in earlier created orders are not allowed. So let's close it without saving it and switch off the hard reserves. Now let's go back to the sales order with 50 kilograms of sugar and create shipment again. Now Kladana allows me to do that. Even the free amount of sugar is 43 kilograms. But on hand I have 54 kilograms. It is less than 50, so I can record the shipment if hard reservation is switched off. That's all about important stock policies in Kladana. Some useful links you can find in the description below. Put your likes and subscribe to our channel to get notifications about new videos.